Hello friends, this is Naqib from Best Spicy Recipes. I hope you're fine and healthy in these lockdown days. Today I'm going to show you a new and spicy recipe to fry the chicken. This method of frying the chicken may not be used before in YouTube. So please watch this video till end. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like, comment, and share my videos. Here is my 1 kilo chicken. Now I'm going to add the other ingredients. Crushed coriander seeds, salt, turmeric powder, cumin, fresh green chilies, fig powder, garlic, ginger. The benefit of using fig powder that because fig powder will solve the chicken in less time. Remember, before cooking, please do all the steps that are required for cooking in these lockdown coronavirus days. I have a video of showing that steps. Please watch that video also, and the link of that video is in description. Now mix the ingredients. Marinate the chicken for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, just we will fry it. After 30 minutes, my chicken is ready, and now it's time to fry the chicken. I have added half liter oil. Keep the heat high. Now the oil should be hot when you want to add the chicken. For 5 minutes, fry the chicken in high heat. After 5 minutes, fry the chicken in low heat. Okay friends, after 5 minutes, keep the heat low. Let's fry it till the chicken is soft. After 15 minutes in low heat, my chicken is ready. So I hope you have enjoyed this.